Hello, welcome. So today we are going to produce 5 liters of anti-aging moisturizing body wash. Yes, my name is Uzoma and I'm called Home Magic Woman, and that's because I help household in solving their cleaning needs. So if you have been following me or you have seen my other videos, you will know that before we start our production proper, I am going to introduce you to the ingredients and chemicals that we are going to be using for this production. So let's go. So here is my perfume. I'm going to use tangerine and orange perfume. This is 25 ml each. Then this is my Tezapon. This is 150 gram of Tezapon. This is my sweet almond oil. This is 30 ml. So this is my jojoba oil. This is also 30 ml. So this is my perilizer. As you can see, it's 30 ml too. So this is my nitrosol, 50 gram. This is my licorice powder. Yes, licorice. This is 10 gram. Just remaining small. I just want to use it. So you can use about 20 gram. So this is my preservative. So it is sodium benzoate dissolved in 50 ml of water. Yes, I use the sodium benzoate dissolved in 50 ml of water. My sodium benzoate is 10 gram. Then this is my color. Yes, you know, the quantity of color you add depends on yourself, and the type of color you add is also depends on yourself. So here I'm going to be using pink color. I dissolved it in 150 ml of water. So here is my dissolved SLS. So my SLS is 150 gram. Then I dissolved it with 500 ml of water. So, and here is our production bucket, which contains 4 liters of very clean water. So not forgetting this one, this is our cocamide. Yes, this is our cocamide. So I dissolved it in 300 ml of water. So if you add all these waters together, it's going to give you exactly 5 liters of your production. Just as I told you that we are going to produce anti-aging moisturizing body wash, 5 liters. So let's go. So our first chemical is going to be our nitrosol. Yes, so as you add, you stir it very well. Please stir it very fast and very well. If you don't stir it, it will form seeds. And stir it for like 10 minutes so that it will completely dissolve and blend very well before you add another chemical. So our next chemical is our Tezapon. So you gently add the Tezapon and stir it for like 10 minutes again. After adding the Tezapon, you stir it very well for like 10 minutes before you add another chemical. Our next chemical is our cocamide, which I have already soaked inside water. You can see it here. So right now what I'm going to do, I am going to add my perilizer inside my cocamide and stir it very well. Yes, I'm going to stir it very well before transferring it into my main production. can see what I'm doing. So you stir it very well to blend. Then you gently transfer it into your main production. So right now, I'm going to transfer it into my main production. And make sure that you stir it very well for 10 minutes again. So after stirring it for like 10 minutes, then it is time for to add our SLS. Our SLS is not yet completely dissolved, but that will not stop us from adding it into our production. The essence of soaking it before this production is for the chemicals to dissolve, so that it will be easier for us to produce. It makes our production very easy when you soak your chemicals, like your powders before the production, so that they will dissolve and clear out. So our body wash is getting ready. So it is time for us to add our oils. This is our sweet almond oil. I'm going to be using half of this 30 ml. So I'm going to be using 15 ml. This is my jojoba oil. I'm also going to be using 15 ml. So you stir very well. Stir it very well. Then I'm also going to add my licorice powder. You know, I told you that it's just remaining small. I just want to use it. You can use more than this, which is 20 grams. This is just 10 grams. Or you can use 15 grams for this 5 liters of moisturizing body wash. So you stir it very well for like 10 minutes before adding another chemical. So our next chemical is going to be our color. So we add our color now. You know, the quantity of color you add and the type of color you use is solely your choice. So after adding the color, you stir it very well so that it will blend. Then you add your preservative, which is our sodium benzoate dissolved in water already. So stir the whole production very well so that they will all blend together. So in adding your color, in adding your perfume, number one, the type of perfume you use depends on your choice. It's not a must you are going to use a tangerine and orange, or it's not even a must that you mix perfume. So it's all your choice. And the quantity of perfume you use too is also your choice. So to add your perfume, you fetch small of your production, just as I'm doing. Add it into it. Stir it very well. The essence of doing this is for your production not to be watery. Yes, because you might add the perfume directly into your main production. It will make everything to be watery. So you first of all fetch a little quantity, add your perfume inside it, stir it very well, then transfer into your main production. As you can see, you see what I'm doing. This my body wash gel is really foaming very well. So you stir it very well. The scent is so nice. Honestly, body wash is a very good alternative to bar soap. in the sense that it's very, very moisturizing. Yes, it takes care of wrinkles, dry skin. In fact, it's recommended for aged women and men. Like, it's very, very good because it's very, very moisturizing. Takes care of wrinkles and, age properties on our skin. So it's a very good alternative to bar soap. Dryness, it takes care of it. So you can imagine the scent. It has a very nice perfume. Please try to put this thing into practice and send me your feedback. I would really like to hear from you. Yes, practice it and send me your feedback. So at this moment, we are done with our anti-aging body wash gel. So what I will do now is I will allow it to settle before packaging it into my bottles or containers. So thank you for watching. Bye.